Your MacBook speaker sounding like this. So if it is buzzing something like this, then probably your speaker is actually broken. So you can see the speaker is actually completely broken. This part completely broken. So we may have to fix this. How to fix this? I'll just show it to you. Buy this gum called T700 and then start applying on your speaker. Wherever there is crack, just start applying just a bit here and then pull it like this. Apply here and then pull it like this. Just create a web. So once everything is done, your speaker should look something like this. I know it looks dirty, but then it actually works. Let me just show you how it does. So after fixing the speakers, we have just placed it on the motherboard of your MacBook. Once it is done, you can listen a really nice sound without any buzzing.